Good morning. It is currently 6 a.m. You want to know some movie magic? I woke up at like 5 a.m. and spent a whole hour trying to get the first opening shots of my vlog that look something like this. So, it's gonna be a good day. We are heading up to go camping. Joy! Okay, are you ready to head out, Grandma?
I am ready.
I gotta show you, look at how well this back is organized. Granted, this is also only 3 people going camping for like less than a week. But it's very well organized.
Yes, you did a really good job.
Yeah. Are you ready to see my throne for this trip? Voila. It actually is pretty spacious compared to sometimes I've had stuff spilling over onto the seat, onto your lap, under your feet, on top of your feet. So this is actually gonna feel pretty spacious. I'm really excited. This is gonna be a good trip. Oh my gosh. I'm really also excited because I haven't been to a family campout since 2007. Either I was in North Carolina or I had like other plans that really interfered with it, like summer travels in North Carolina. So this is gonna be really wild to see everybody. I'm gonna be honest with you, I probably won't like recognize a majority of the people because I haven't been since I was like, you know, 11. So it's gonna be an experience.
Water.
Look at all that water coming down. It's beautiful, honestly.
That's been there for years.
Dang. Look at Emmy, so precious. We are on the road and I am editing and someone just got a text. Got 2 texts. Someone's popular. Oh, Jakey. Oh, Jakey. We are, well, about 1 hour in. How's everyone doing?
Doing good.
Jakey here is an adventure to travel with. Jakey, see, as soon as he gets back here with me, he's gonna want to jump back to you guys. We've been over this. Jump. Woo, yeah. Look, you can see, you can see the ocean out there. Not exactly a bright sunny beach day. But yeah, Emmy is chilling and relaxing. I've just been sleeping. Honestly, I took this opportunity to like nap the first day. Now you want to go back? Now you want to go back? Make up your mind, boy! So that's been very relaxing. This is off to a good start. He wants to go back now. Boy. I agree. Parasailer. Hope you had a fun flight, bud. That's actually awesome. Oh, there's a buddy. I will say that the struggle with being tall is every now and then they'll remark about something like up on the mountain, and I'm like, where? Yeah. What are you talking about? What mountain? So our family has a little tradition to take like a group photo anytime we go on a road trip, right? Just a quick impromptu picture.
Well, I don't want to.
So I'm telling you, my friend. Okay, well, we're gonna take a picture in like a couple hours. Usually we try and like all squeeze in with like, you know, a phone front-facing camera, the selfie thing. But this time we got the GoPro. Would you mind booting it up?
Okay. So I gotta do what?
You gotta just hold the front button.
There's the front
Yes, for like 3 seconds. The dogs are looking at the camera, so smile. Lunchtime. In and out, stop one of probably many on this trip. Didn't like last time we got camping, we got sick of In and Out at the end, which is like unheard of for this family. So.
Was there In and Out in Morro Bay? No, it wasn't Morro Bay, but.
Just coming up and down.
Stopped at Magic Mountain was the first one. And then we stopped again here.
Yeah.
Starting to, how about Taco Bell?
This also gives me the chance to stretch my legs, and I would love, love, love to get a drone shot right now, but I just checked and we're barely in like a 5-mile radius around an airport, and I don't know, I'd rather be safe than sorry, so I just, you know what, it's not, I'll play it safe this time. I'll wait till next time we stop, we're outside of that little radius. But the dogs are loving this little field. Aww, they're so precious. Hi, Emmy. What's our ETA? Do you know? It's 12 o'clock now.
It is 12 right now?
Yeah. That's not a good sign.
We must leave at 8. Oh, we left at 8:30.
Yes.
9:30. Well, hopefully we'll get there by 1.
Oh, an hour?
Yeah. I mean,
Oh my gosh, we're almost there.
Yeah.
I thought I'm so used to going to Tam's. I was like, okay,
Right.
hour 3 of like 9.
Exactly.
Well, 6, but. What time is it, Mom?
Target time.
Target time. Welcome to our family. My love.
Between there and there. Step anywhere else.
But not in that.
Walk there.
It's almost like an art piece, honestly.
Yeah.
And I love how half of our cart is taken up by precious cargo here.
Yes. Your best.
And all of my gear, because I don't trust it to leave it in the car. I can't afford to replace that. Probably shouldn't have just said that so loud. Here you go, this is the one for you, Mom. The Snickers flavored. Have you ever seen something so American though? I guarantee you this would not exist in any other country.
Wait, what is this?
No, this is the most aggressively American thing I've ever seen.
What is this? Ew. Icky.
Yeah, those are like the celebrity is in that car. It's so, the temperature is so perfect. It's so perfect outside.
Wonderful.
Oh my gosh, you could not get better. I am ready for this week.
Yeah, me too. I hope when we go home it's not real hot. That's always so disappointing.
Yeah.
There's a truck.
Yes.
I got this I'm going to use for the trip, then I'm going to give it to you.
Oh, really?
I have one at home and I absolutely love it.
Thank you.
But I'm going to use it on the trip.
I'll take a gently used gift. Thank you. Jakey, you're a good boy in there. Yeah, you didn't let out a peep or a squeak. Don't you love rolling in the car with the windows down? Hair blowing in the breeze. Isn't it so pleasant? What do you think, Em? What do you think? The weather, though, genuinely is beautiful. I'm on a road trip with my family, going camping, which I love camping.
Oh yeah.
Well, camping.
Glamping.
Yeah.
We don't love camping. We hate camping. What are you talking about? Nobody loves camping.
It is rather labor
They
intensive.
do camping.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. I'm with beautiful people. It's great. This is good. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
Say hi, Grandma. I bet this looks absolutely beautiful. Too bad I'm too tall to see it.
Okay, stop.
Actually, go forward a little bit.
We made it! Finally, it took forever. And now the fun part. parking.
Stop, good?
Yeah. Hey, Mom, is she all right? No, she's on the grass.
Well, oh my gosh, it's gonna be 5 minutes.
Now the real fun part begins. Unpacking.
Long tethers or anything?
Behold my quarters for the next few days. Okay, so we just like spent the last 10 minutes trying to set up this shade thing. Here's a little behind the scenes, thanks to my grandmother vertically filming.
So we can unhook it, and you can grab the end of it.
Okay, but how are we gonna prevent it from just sliding down?
We'll figure it out.
It's a vote of confidence.
Can we get it up?
Okay, these guys are trying really hard to get this on.
I wish I could.
We need a.
I know, we need a step stool.
Oh, you know what? You could probably
Don't we
step
have-
inside of this. Can you step inside of this?
Can I?
But just don't step on. Yeah.
Yeah, just
there
step
you
like
go.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Well, that gives me like. Oh, that's just enough.
Can you get it inside that track? See where it connects?
Oh.
Can
I can get the
do you-
metal thing stuck in there.
Yeah. Do you need the metal thing, Tam?
Well, we need it to take it down,
Here.
but
But
Oh,
I mean,
well,
once-
for now.
Yeah. Once you, there you go.
Will that damage this in any way?
I don't
mean,
think
it's not
so.
putting any weight.
I think that's good.
is it tight? Oh, it's tight.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like.
You know where it's
Perfectly
at.
Let me see what's underneath here. Oh, it's a thing.
Wow. The awning dilemma is finally solved.
Well,
Sort of.
is it
Okay, that works for right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's great. These
Why
are
didn't they put a thing? So there has to be a real way to put this up.
probably easier than whatever we just.
Oh, you know what you do? There's a bracket that you install.
Oh.
Oh.
Do they give it to you, or is it something else you gotta buy?
Oh, right here.
So cozy.
So
Oh.
you actually, there's a bracket that you install.
Lastly, read the directions.
You know.
Once common sense doesn't kick you.
But we got it set up. Yeah. And it makes such a huge difference. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yes. Those are gonna be so pretty tonight.
For the first, oops, boy, I almost walked right. That's a good idea, having them on here, so at night you don't.
Yeah. Okay. And beautiful lights. Hey, they came on.
Oh, time to.
Awesome!
This looks so pretty. They work, Tam.
Yeah!
Yeah. Oh, they're LEDs too. Oh man, this is nice.
Oh,
It's gonna be like 5 days of this.
well,
No.
Well,
that
We're gonna have about 30 minutes of this.
Yeah, exactly.
what are you most looking forward to?
Spending time with family.
Aww.
We're getting gassed out by the exhaust.
By the car.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, you're good.
This shot suddenly gets cut short with oh. And here you see our dinner, our stew for tonight that is currently a solid block. Hopefully in this direct sun, in this heat, it should...
4 days it'll be defrosted. You're not eating plums.
It's hot out though. It's surprisingly warm. This is California hot, Mom.
Okay, whoa.
actually go forward just a little bit.
The fun of the first day of camping. And I know I'm gonna get comments like, oh, this isn't camping. Look, I would love to be in a tent. I love tent camping, but no one else in my family does. And I'm not gonna turn down outlets, so if we just had Wi-Fi in this thing, that would be perfect. But as for right now, I just left my phone in there, which I'm probably going to do for like the majority of this week. I have my watch, so if I get like notifications, I'll get a buzz, but I'm not gonna be constantly checking social media, so. Yes! Look at this plum collection. This is beautiful, and it's basically just gonna be my like only food source for the next week. So good.
Yeah.
Tam grew these, right? You said?
Yeah.
Dang. They're very flavorful.
Every you go any place with Chris, and it's like every outings like the like you're on the Kardashians or something.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, we're not quite the Kardashians. We're camping equivalent to, I don't know what.
Although I'm pretty
Circus.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
the Kardashians were to camp, it'd be similar to
We're
this.
the Griswolds.
Yeah, that's true.
So the struggle with camping with pit bulls is they will bark at any other dog, any other like living organism, honestly. And there is a husky right there.
Well, not right now.
But trust me. So we're trying to block their view here.
So we're gonna make it Jakey, stop. Jacobs, why are you barking? What? What? I'm right here.
No, but you're not holding me, Mom.
Goodness gracious.
Voila! There you go. That's good.
They'll have
Yeah.
no idea.
Well, you know what they're going to do? They're going to peek their head over
Yeah,
there.
they're just gonna.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay, here's Chris. He's tarping again. This is our favorite thing to do. And when you have dogs, you're trying to put up a barricade so they can't see the other dogs. There's Jame and Tam.
No.
They're doing something, I'm not sure what.
Oh, that was very close.
Yeah. There's Jake. Jake is watching his mom intently here. Yeah.
What's those baby
you need
holder
to get
things?
something out.
See?
What baby?
Like the front
Oh, I
loader.
know.
That
Yeah.
front load baby
Yeah.
holder.
I came in here for something.
Just
I know, because he really.
They got issues.
Yeah.
Henny, you're seeming like a sane one. This is really weird. Welcome.
Pretty baby.
Yay! Now we're
Wow,
all
we're
out.
outside.
Here's hoping our genius invention there works. Now watch as the dogs come through the giant exposed side over here.
Now, if they're on the long...
Yeah, should I not be in this very particular spot that I'm in?
Somebody come by here.
yeah, you just have to be both you guys.
We can move over here.
Yeah, I can be. First night meal, delicious stew that is very hot. You can see all the steam coming from it.
There's a box much.
That still counts.
Dry though.
It's so good. Oh my gosh. Put it in the microwave for like 5 seconds.
Cornmeal is made.
Right?
Southern cornmeal is not sweet at all.
Yeah.
They don't put any sugar in their cornmeal.
They put it all in the tea.
And then they fry it.
Really?
So it's like crispy.
So is it like a, what did you call that?
Like a hush puppy?
Hush puppy. Is that what that is done?
Well, except for it, I mean, it looks like this, but the top's like they like fry it, and they fry everything. Or,
Honestly.
Lord, yeah.
Yeah. Also
But
playing
you
some
go
I
take a
Love
bite, you
Lucy
think
on
it's gonna be
Tam's
sweet,
phone.
it's not. It's
That's
not
so
sweet at all.
surprising because they're like tea is very
Oh
sweet.
gosh, their tea's obnoxious.
Yeah, it's like past, ooh, this is pleasant, to like, ow, my teeth are crying. You know, like that really cheap, like frosting?
Exactly.
Gives you, at least it gives me that reaction.
That was
Willow just decided she wanted to join the party. There's Lucy. Just peeking out from under there.
Just don't step on me.
No, actually, I like this. This is...
Oh, that's my boobs. Smashing it. How much do you weigh? My golly.
My gosh.
Here, come on. You can have the whole seat here. You see here, just slide over. Okay, here. Just turn around and.
You're good.
There you go, sorry, Barbara. Okay, there you go, Willow. It's yours. Right there. You can, Lucy, scoot over. Scoot over, baby. Get close to mommy. Here you go, that way. Okay, Willow, jump up. Jump up.
This is my family.
Yeah, that a girl. There you go.
Well, hello there.
Where's my stew?
Are you gonna lay down on the floor then?
Yeah.
Next to
I'll just
Broads?
sit right over here. You guys
You
want?
want the butter?
Yeah. Tam, can we get your brownies out?
Yeah, we don't need to like sweep this up.
No, you can have them.
Oh, yeah. You guys want a brownie?
Willow, Willow, Willow.
Ooh, yes please.
No, thank you. Willow.
Get that shot, Mom.
Don't give me.
Yeah. Go ahead and sit down. Yeah.
She's like, but that's the whole fun.
Like your brownie?
Oh, it's okay, honey.
It's okay.
She said the idea was to sit on your lap.
Well, that was great when you were little, but you're no bigger now.
This is no fun now.
Ooh, and now to burn off the calories from dinner, because that was a lot. It was so good though. Oh my gosh, my grandmother is the world's greatest cook, I swear. So we're gonna go for a little bit of a walk, and it's gonna be really cool to like reconnect, you know, these places with my childhood memory of these places. You know what I'm talking about? Have you ever done that where it's like you go somewhere you haven't been to in a long time and you start to actually make sense of the disjointed like memories that you have? Because that's what's starting to happen with me. I remember riding my scooter around these areas, and I didn't connect like what the actual whole place looked like, that it looked like this. In my mind it was just like, oh, there's the campground and then there's these roads, and I didn't like connect that this is what everything looked like. So that was a lot of talking to just say we're going on a walk. It's so weird to see this because I vaguely remember this. Like, I do definitely remember that clearing of the trees because we took like group photos over here.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a piddling puppy. Yeah, because, oh, a pooping puppy, my bad. Because I wanted to like take a picture in between. There's like 2 rows of trees if I remember correctly, and I wanted to take a picture in between them, but as a kid like I didn't know how to express that. Yeah, so now I can. Oh, that's so cool to see. Right next to the golf course. Yep. Because I remember there being this big open patch of grass, but my mind didn't like connect that it was a golf course.
I know. So, because, I mean, we used to play baseball over there.
Really?
Yeah, a long time ago at the Campout.
Dang.
But I don't really, I mean, I didn't think we were on the grass, but maybe we were.
And I remember riding my like scooter around this area. Like a whole group of us, not just me.
Yeah, yeah, no doubt, because all the kids would always bring, you know,
Yep.
ride on bike or something.
So many good memories. Oh, it's so cool to be here again.
I know, I love you.
Oh my gosh. I definitely remember one year we all camped out in this area.
Well, it was up in the group camp
Oh,
up there.
am I remembering wrong?
It's a ways, yeah.
But like this area really influenced when I was a kid reading about like the 100-acre woods, and to this day I kind of picture it to be like this.
Yeah, because it was kind of, it's off up there by itself.
Oh,
But we cannot get that group site anymore. We haven't been able to get that for years.
really?
Always cool.
These are bike campers.
Oh,
So
yeah.
for stuff.
Yeah.
Huh.
That's a big thing in North
That's
Carolina.
really, that's neat.
Yes, silver.
Emmy, you're so
It's
precious.
awful quiet up here.
Yeah. It's like
Yeah.
dead silent.
I know, we started to wonder if we didn't reserve it for like the county workers, you know, as a perk
Huh.
or something, because I mean, she kept trying, you know, for years after we used to be up here, but I just never could get it.
Huh.
Yeah.
Jake. Jake, this is like out of a horror movie. This is some found footage right here. This old abandoned road, the dogs refuse to go down it.
Yeah.
It's getting dark.
Yeah.
None of us brought flashlights.
Okay, can we turn on the back end?
We can push on. Jake.
You're fine. Come on. Oh my lord.
He's getting carried in.
Oh my gosh. Let's take the dogs for a walk, we said. It was here, I guess. I'm sorry, I was quite wrong. Yeah, because there's the golf course. I was quite wrong. This is so cool, though. What?
We saw it. I said, okay, let's go. We saw it.
I think that's just like on
Yeah.
Just keep it hit up so whatever easy.
You guys want to know something crazy? It's almost 9 o'clock at night.
It's almost 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock at night.
Wow.
And it's still this light out.
Oh my god.
Welcome to summer, I guess.
Yeah. Huh. That's exactly what it is.
Now we're to end the night we're watching I Love Lucy. Well, I can barely see it at this angle. So I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog up now. Day 1, I guess, day half of this camping trip. A smashing, fantastic success. Thank you for joining, and I will see you tomorrow morning, bright and early. Well, bright and late. Stay positive.